And we are back. How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the Redmi Buds 4 from the stables of Xiaomi. Now, we've talked about the Xiaomi products on this channel. We've done the Redmi Buds 3 on this channel. We'll leave the link here so you can go and see that video. But this is the Redmi Buds 4. It was released into the market in June of 2023. It comes in, I think, 3 colors: the blue, the white, and the black. And the price on this one is 798 rand. 798 rand, which translates as 45 US dollars. All right, let's talk specs. Some of the specs written on the box include up to 30 hours of battery life with the charging case, Bluetooth 5.2. We've got up to 35 decibels of active noise cancellation. We've got transparency mode, and yada yada yada. Let's pop this open and see what it looks like. Let's go. Let's go. When you pop it open, this is what you get. Extra ear tips, different sizes. I think it's both, this must be medium and large. USB Type-C charging cable. I didn't bother to take them out of the packaging because, you know, we're not interested in these. And you've got a user manual that looks like a little mini Bible. That is incredible. And the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4. A very smooth finish. Here we've got a charge indicator right here in front of it. I don't know if you can see it because it's white. Just right here, if you can see that, it's like a reset button that will also double as a pairing button, maybe. Well, we'll find out what this is for. But as usually it is for pairing another device to the earbud while it's paired to another, or you can use it as a reset button. We'll find out right there. And at the bottom of it, we've got the USB charging port. That's really cool. All right, let's pop this open. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Just what I expect. Smooth, with the round edges and all that stuff. The curved edges, nothing sharp. All right. Let's do a little bit of a shake test on this one because this doesn't feel so. Let's do a shake test. You know what the shake test is for. If you don't know, go look at my other videos and find out. But let's do a shake test on this one. Yes, let's go. All right, it's in place. Good. Let's pop this open. Let's take it out. Oh, very easy to take out too. That's nice. What we have here, we've got a microphone right here. We've got a touch control right here. We've got the pair indicator lights right there. And this must be another microphone. Nice. But underneath it, we've got the charge plates right there, and we've got a proximity sensor right there. You see the big black one? That's the proximity sensor, which means if you put this in your ears, if you're listening to any music and you put this in your ears, the moment you take it out of your ears, it will pause whatever media you're listening to. Either it's movies, music, whatever it is, it'll pause. And when you put it back in your ears, it'll play. The reason why I like the proximity sensor, because it takes, when you listen to music, it takes the position now of the pause and play. So when you set your control settings, you've got an extra space. See that? You see that? It becomes like a pause and play thing. And when you now go to your settings to set up your controls, you don't have to worry about the pause and play. See that? Nice. All right, same goes for the one for the right ear. This is very nice. I like this. All right, let's do a quick fit test. Let's see how comfortable this is when we put it on. Let's go. Fit test. Okay. Wow. Okay. This is very comfortable. Very comfortable. It's not poking in my ear. Take a closer look. It's not poking in my ear. It's not invasive. There's no pressure around. Very good. I like the way it feels. I can run with this, but I'm not sure if I'm sweating, if it will stay in place. Now, I know I'm wearing the ear tips that is my size. Considering my ear hole, I am wearing the right size for me. But I think if I'm sweating, if I'm running and I'm sweating and all, it just might slip out. I think it's just the design of the earbud. You see, it's got this round corners and everything. So it's not really holding to the sides of my earlobe. So if I shake my head or I do something vigorous, it's fine, it's in place. But I think if I'm sweating, just might slip out. I'm not sure, but I think that might happen. Otherwise, nah, it's in place. It's not invasive, there's no pressure, nothing. Very good fit. All right, it's pairing time. Let us pair these and see how easy it is to do. First of all, you know what I say? I say put it back in the earbuds, put it back in the case. Let's see. There we go, right there in the case. Now what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna pop open the lid of the case and see if it'll connect, if that's enough for it to seek and find it. It's not. Let us go to our Bluetooth settings and see if we'll find right there. You see that? Redmi Buds 4. And it is paired. That is less than 5 seconds. That is a record. That's less than 5 seconds. So all you need to do is just flip open the lid. If you wanna pair this, all you need to do is flip it open. It'll pick it up immediately. If your Bluetooth is on, it'll pick it up immediately, and you just pair it. Simple as that. All right. Okay. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go into the app and see what functionalities are in the app, how we can access the device via the app. Let us go. All right, now let us go to the app. Firstly, I've taken the time to download the app. There we go. Now all we do first of all is to flip it open. It immediately connects to the app right there. See, because we've done the pairing already before, all we had to do is just flip it open and the app picks it up just like that. Simple, very easy. Now let's look at the app and let's just, on the surface for now, let's just look through it and look as fast as possible. We're not trying to spend the whole day on this. First of all, we've got the battery indications for the left, right, and for the case. All right, that is cool. We've got 3 modes for noise cancellation. We've got the active noise cancellation. When you put on the earphones, when you put on the headphones, it picks it up, active noise cancellation. And we've got the transparency mode. If you've been using earbuds, you know what those modes are for. So let us not go straight into all that. Let's look at the gestures here. Now this is your control. Remember what I said about the proximity sensor and how that can serve as your pause and play? Yeah, you can use that, and then you can have these here and set up your controls the way you want them to be. This is very nice, very nice. Now additional settings, let's see what's here. We have the in-ear. Now this gives you the ability to turn off the proximity sensor if for some reason it's a problem for you. Every time you take it off and sometimes you forget or something and you don't want it to be a problem, you can just turn it off here. You also have the option of selecting take your calls out automatically, which means if your call comes through, whatever is happening, you don't even need to pick it up. After the first ring, or I think the second ring, it picks it up immediately for you. Second ring, it picks it up immediately for you. This is very nice. Now you also have the options of naming your phone. If you like to see if you're one of the people that like to see your name on something, some people call that narcissism. But you call it what you want. But if you like to see your name on things, you have the opportunity to rename your earphones whatever you like. That is nice. Yes, that's nice. We have the option to find your phone if you're one of the people that misplace your phone or something, and you don't know where it is and you're looking for your earphones. You can find it. You have option for looking for the left, for both, or for the right one. If you press them, it plays an alarm. Let's try it. Hear that? I think it should be louder than that, but hey, that's what you get. So if you're looking for these earbuds, maybe I don't know what it is, I just put this away, I go to the app, I press that, and I find them. Here we go. You have to update your firmware and all that, and that's all you get. Let us see. Let's go here. Current version, withdrawal of consent. All right. Manage permissions. Nah, nothing serious here. I thought you'd have like for you to your what's it called now? Let's take this out. Your EQ settings. I don't see anything like that. That is crazy. No EQ settings here. What's this add? Let's see. Oh, this is for you to add other Xiaomi devices, earbuds, whatever that you want to do if you have more of them that you use. I don't see an option here for EQ settings. So that means whatever it is that comes by default is what you get. Alright, let's hope the sound is good enough when we do an audio test, which is a perfect segue. Let's just go do an audio test right now and see how good it is that they don't have an EQ settings. Then the sound must be exceptional. Let's go, let's test it out.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so after listening to this for a while, this is what I think. If you've used Xiaomi products over time, you tend to expect a certain kind of quality from them. And this did not disappoint at all. The sound was impeccable. No drop-offs at high notes, at high tones, no follow-ups at low tones, no distortions, none of that. Very clear, even sound, great separation of sound. You hear everything. It's like a live band. It is very, very, very good. I like the sound. I also love the noise cancelling. That was impressive noise cancelling. I like that. Very, very good sound. You can't go wrong with this one at all. I see why they were bold enough not to have EQ settings in the app, but I still think you need the app. We need the EQ settings in the app, I mean to say. I still think we need the EQ settings in the app. Put it back there. We want the option. That is my only gripe, all right? Aside that, the sound from this is impeccable. All right, let's summarize all this. For the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4, you get Bluetooth 5.2 at 10 meters. You get 6 hours from single charge. For using the earbuds, you get 6 hours single charge, and you do get 30 hours from the charge case. Control settings, very, very responsive. I mean, you touch the earbuds, it does respond to you. I also like the fact that in the app, you're able to set your settings the way you want to be, and you do have the option of a volume control. You guys know how I feel about that. For call quality, here's what it sounds like. How's it, TOB family? This is a mic test of the Redmi Buds 4 from the house of Xiaomi. This is what the mic sounds like, so when you are on the phone, this is what you have to expect. So hit the comment section and tell me what you think. Let's keep it moving. Right, so what do you think? Comment section, let me know. The only gripe I have with the Redmi Buds 4 is the fact that you do not have EQ settings in the app. That is the only problem I have. Anything aside that, everything is good. I do think it's worth the money, it's worth the price. I really think so, it is. So, if you want this, go get it. Very good choice. You can afford it, it's not expensive. Get it. If you want it, get it. Good choice.